So, Simran, as a production person, how do we ensure that a video project is delivered on time?
So I'll just explain in 3 points. One is plan and schedule the project. You know, make a detailed plan and schedule it in advance. Break it into smaller parts and make sure that deadlines are being, followed. And if there is any kind of problem, communicate it to the team immediately, right? And by using collaborative tools like project plan sheet, everyone is connected to it, everyone is updated about it. कि अच्छा ठीक है, this is happening now, these are the tasks to be done by the team, so everyone can keep them updated about their task. Also, which I consider it more effective is, it's a free tip kind of thing, to always have a buffer time, like keep in 1 or 2 day buffer, because you never know what technical things might happen or which will hamper the production or any kind of thing. So always keep 1 or 2 days as a buffer time period.